In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Gmail Smart Compose. Smart Compose is an AI feature in Gmail that predicts what you might want to say next and gently suggests words or even full sentences as you type. It helps you write faster and keep your message clear, especially when you're sending a lot of emails or repeating similar phrasing throughout the day. Let's turn it on together. Start by opening Gmail in your web browser. Using the desktop site is best here because it gives you access to the full settings menu. Once Gmail loads, look to the top right corner for the gear icon. That's your settings button. Click the gear and a quick settings panel will appear. From there, choose See All Settings to open the full settings page. You'll land on the General tab, which is exactly where you want to be. This tab controls many of Gmail's writing and layout options. Scroll down the page until you find the section labeled Smart Compose. In that section, select Writing Suggestions On. This tells Gmail to start showing predictive suggestions while you type. After you've chosen that, make sure to save your choice by clicking Save Changes at the bottom of the page. Saving is important. Otherwise, Gmail won't remember to enable the feature. Now that Smart Compose is on, here's what to expect. As you write an email, you'll notice suggested completions appear in lighter text ahead of your cursor. These suggestions are based on common, helpful phrases and the context of your message. If the suggestion matches what you intended to say, simply keep going with your message. If it doesn't fit, continue typing your own words and the suggestion will disappear. You're always in control, and the feature is designed to stay out of the way when you don't need it. A few practical tips can help you get the most from it. Smart Compose is especially useful for greetings, quick follow-ups, and routine sign-offs, so you'll often see it accelerate those parts of your message. If you write clearly and start your sentences with strong, specific words, the suggestions will usually feel more accurate and natural. And if you prefer not to use a suggestion, there's nothing special you need to do. Just keep typing your own sentence. If you don't see Smart Compose after turning it on, double-check that you saved your changes and that you're using Gmail on the web, not a simplified or offline view. Some work or school accounts may have settings controlled by an administrator, which can affect availability. That's it. With Smart Compose enabled, you can write emails faster and with less effort while still sounding like yourself.